to my channel. This is Shivani here with another video. So recently on my birthday, I visited Monroe Island, Kollam. These are a few fond memories of me in Monroe Island. In 2021, I visited Monroe Island for the first time. It was a sunny day in March. After lunch, we started from my home to Kollam. After 2 hours, we reached Kollam, and from there, 30 minutes it took to reach Monroe Island. There are numerous resorts in Monroe Island, but we stayed in Lake and River Resort. At 4:30 p.m., my parents and I took a boat from the canoeing point in the resort to see the beautiful Monroe Island. Boat rides along its crisscrossing canals, and I saw numerous coconut trees, cashew plants, mangrove plants alongside the canal. Curved footbridges. We had to bend down whenever we went on curved footbridges.
ഈ നെറ്റിട്ടിരിക്കുന്ന എന്താണ്? മീൻ വളർത്തലാണ്.
I saw the coir making process, board making, prawn farms, fishing, migratory bird watch, etc. The sites to visit are canoe tour in backwater, wild flora and fauna, lagoons and fishing. Then by around 6 pm, I spotted the sun near the horizon. My eyes were filled with tears. It was one of the most beautiful moments in my life. The best time to visit is usually throughout the year other than the rainy season. November and February weather remains pleasant. Every day sunrise and sunset are so special here. The timings to board the boat to see the island is 4:30 pm and 6 am. The boat ride is usually 2 hours long. It takes 25 kilometers to reach Monroe Island from Kollam. Trains and buses are easily available till Kollam. The nearest airports are Kochi and Trivandrum to reach Kollam. Monroe Island is certainly an amazing place to visit. I hope you all also visit Monroe Island.
Thank you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This is Shivani Shankar signing out.